guys, welcome to Weird Sid Videos. I'm Weird and today is the third episode of How To Gymi. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna divide How To Gymi in three branches: Maths, German and Essay. So the Maths branch is gonna be called M, the German is gonna be called D, and the Essay one is gonna be called E. So this is M1, the first episode of Maths. So let's start. So today we're gonna talk about a type of a question which actually comes in every Gymi exam, like from the year 2009. So the theme is called Proportionalität and Umgekehrte Proportionalität. So let's first talk about Proportionalität. Proportionalität means proportionality. So let me now tell a really easy question for the start. So I have one book and it costs 6 francs. Then how many francs does 3 books cost? So first we actually have to find out what proportionalität means. It means proportion, as you can see in the word. That means every portion, every unit is something. So let's now look back at our example. One book is 6 francs. That means one portion is 6 francs. So 3 portions, 3 books are how many francs? So to solve this, we first need to look that 1 is how many times smaller than 3, or vice versa. 3 is how many times bigger than 1. 3 is 3 times bigger than 1, so we gotta do times 3. And now this times 3, we just gotta carry on the other side. So 6 times 3 is 18, and that would be our answer, 18 francs. So now let's go to the harder example. So 6 apples are 10 francs. Then how many francs are 5 apples? To solve this, you will just use the technique we just used earlier. So 5 times what is 6, or 6 times what is 5? That doesn't work. So we gotta use something else. What we actually do when it doesn't work, we actually have to find a stop in the middle, or a bridge to connect these both numbers. So let's see. 6 divided by what? I can also multiply by 5 then. Well, the easiest number will be 1. So first we have to find out how much 1 apple costs, so then we can go on to 5 apples. So I hope you understood that. So now let's see. 6 divided by what is 1? 6 divided by 6 is 1. And now 1 times what is 5? Well, 5. So times 5. Now we actually have to just copy that on the other side. So 12 divided by 6, that would be 2 francs. And 2 francs multiplied by 5, that would be 10 francs, and that would be our answer. Don't forget to underline it twice, like this, like I did here, because the examinators will only they don't know where your answer is written, so you have to underline it twice. Now let's go to the second topic, Umgekehrte Proportionalität. That means inverse proportionality or reverse proportionality. So let me just give you a question to see what it means. So one person, I have 6 candies. I want to eat them, but then my friend comes. So now we are 2 people, and he says, hey, give me some candies as well. So that's why I say, okay, let's share them. So now how many candies does each person get? That is the question. So if you would actually use the other way, like the proportionalität way, then it wouldn't work. So because 1 times what is 2? Well, 2. So 2 times 6 must be the answer, 12. Well, we can't have more candies than we had in the start. I mean, that doesn't work, right? So we have to use Umgekehrte Proportionalität, or inverse proportionality. So 1 times what is 2? We actually start really with the same technique. 1 times what is 2? Well, that's times 2. But now what we have to do, we don't have to carry the same thing on the other side. We actually have to reverse it. So not times 2, but divided by 2. See that? Times divided. So 6 candies divided by 2, that's 3 candies, and that would be our answer. And that makes sense, right? If you share it, divided by 2, just like we did here. Okay, so now I'm gonna just tell a harder question to this topic, Umgekehrte Proportionalität, and I want you guys to solve it at home, and then after you have the answer, write it down in the comments below. So, let's do it. 8 Maurer können ein Haus in 50 Tagen bauen. Wie lang brauchen 6 Maurer? Now I'm just going to say it in English, sorry guys. 8 builders need 50 days to build a house. How long do 6 builders need? So, Don't forget to solve this question, write it down in the comments below, and I'm going to reveal the answer in the next video. So, thank you for watching, I hope you liked it, and see you soon.